I'll take you into the garden a little bit, walk you around while the cats are stalking me, and show you what we've got growing here. It's the end of the day. It's officially winter. We have our winter garden in the ground, and we finally got some rain, some really good rain over the last couple of weeks here in Florida, which is nice. And the garden is doing really well. We had a cold snap early, so we had some things die down and die back, but they're right back on track, and we're really starting to produce some good winter crops. Now, I only planted the raised beds this year. I didn't really put anything in direct ground because I'm giving myself a little break. We're going to have plenty of vegetables to get us through the winter fresh and from our canned storage. But next year, we're going to sow out directly in the ground for the winter as well. So I'm excited about that, both for animal feed, fresh feed for winter, and for us as well. But I figured I'll take you into the garden a little bit, walk you around while the cats are stalking me, and show you what we've got growing here. We were zone 8B, zone 9A, and even with the recent changes with the zones, we're still about there. We have a little bit of a microclimate going on at our house here because we're inside the forest and we're in a valley, so it tends to get colder at our house than the weather forecast for the rest of the neighborhood and for the rest of the county. So we're erring on 8B still in regards to free state and so on, and we're going to keep on doing what we've done. Every year's been different for us anyway, but we've got a good winter garden coming, so I'll show you around what we got. And in real garden fashion, I just planted stuff. I didn't really label it. So let's see. So we've got cauliflower going strong right here. It's coming along really well. We've got, this looks like, this is radish. We got arugula going strong. This is my favorite salad green. I love the taste of it and the peppery taste of it. And then I've got garlic pretty much in every single bed that we've got. And the cats are inspecting. Now in this bed we've got peas that died back a little bit with the frost, but they're coming back. They'll be climbing up here very soon. And I direct seeded a bunch more beets and radishes in this bed that should be coming up soon here. We've got catnip going strong, huh? Right? Got some catnip going and more garlic. And we've got cabbage. And what we got over here, this is, well, these are radishes. They're not doing very well. Look how little these are. But we'll see what we get out of them. More peas to go on the trellises. And then we've got our kale going. We've got spinach going this year, which I'm really excited about because I have not been able to grow spinach here. And I finally remembered this year to put it out when it gets cold. So I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about my spinach. And it's so good, fresh. We've got kohlrabi here, which is a first for me growing it over here in the winter. We eat this quite a bit in Germany in soups and stews and salads raw. It's a great root vegetable, but as you can see, I probably should have thinned it out. Oh well. more peas, more cauliflower, more garlic. So this is gonna get huge and I'm excited. Let's see what else we got. We have carrots going. This was our first direct seeded carrots, and we've got more coming along that are smaller right here. More peas, more carrots. I basically direct seeded carrots into every single free space that we had once we tore out the summer garden. We've got some herbs coming along here finally, which is nice. I'm giving hops a try. See how that's gonna go. More cabbage, more peas, more cauliflower, all around. And you see, we've got more carrots coming up. And we just direct seed all of these root vegetables around here. How many cats we got? 1, 2, 3. We're missing Bentley. Bentley is missing. Got us some mulch from down the road. I think I need to get another truckload or so down here. More cauliflower. Got some yarrow coming along. More cabbage. Look at these beauties. Calendula. Gorgeous. And more cauliflower. And other than that, we're pretty much done for this year. So we're gonna cover a bunch of stuff in mulch and harvest as we go, but we will have plenty. So this should give us plenty of greens and vegetables fresh throughout the winter. We can basically pick off of these greens daily. For the cauliflower, for the cabbage, for the arugula, the kale, we can basically pick daily and it'll come right back. So that will be nice. The peas, I don't know. We'll see if they'll make it. If we got a hard frost coming, they're probably not going to make it through, but they may come back. We'll see how they make it and how the winter goes. It's supposed to be a cold one here, which means maybe a hard freeze for a night or two. So nothing too crazy. And other than that, we'll see how the rest of the winter goes. We've got it planted out pretty well. We're going to start covering things in mulch as much as possible. Get ready for the spring. I still don't have a greenhouse, but it's about time for me to start seeds for the spring garden. And we'll just start them in the garage. Next year is going to be heavy on peppers for me. I'm really excited to put a bunch of peppers in the ground. We're going to do potatoes again. We're going to do sweet potatoes again. And we're going to focus heavily on building up our food storage here with our canning. So I'm excited about getting that going now that we really have kind of dialed into what grows well here, what needs little to no maintenance, and what do we actually eat. So I'm excited about getting that started. Just thought I'd share a little bit. I know we put the video up about this is goodbye for now, and we are definitely slowing down quite a bit with our videos so that we can concentrate on the family and on the animals and on building and gardening and really building up. And we're gonna do local classes as much as possible for the local community. We got a couple of events on our schedule for next year that we're going to teach at and we're going to speak at. And between all of that, videos are really hard to film, to edit, to put online. It's a lot of work. So we're taking a little step back, going a little bit slower, but we're still going to keep you guys updated with barn talks and update videos for sure. So if you have questions, if you need anything, you can still find us. We're around and we're here to help. We want to help you learn on your garden journey. So feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next video.